In this tutorial, I'm going to explain about the sketch fillet and chamfer command. Click on the sketch fillet and you can change the radius of the fillet by this dialog box here. And if you want to activate the fillet command, select this line and the other line, or else just select this point and select the other corner point as well and give a check mark to it. And for example, if I want to edit the dimensions of this radius, just double tap here and let me provide a value of 20. And now I'm going to explain the sketch chamfer command. From the drop down list of the sketch fillet, select the sketch chamfer. There are two types of the chamfer command. The first type is the angle distance method and a distance method. And select the corner point and my chamfer is created. Let me change this to an angle of 60 degree and my length as 10 and select the other corner point. Now my new chamfer with the new dimensions is created. And now the next type is the distance to distance type. And I'm going to provide a value of 20. And now you see that my horizontal chamfer distance is a 20 and my vertical chamfer distance is 10. If I select the equal distance and let me select the final corner point, and now you see that my horizontal and vertical chamfer distance are equal with a constraint displayed on it.